Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 23rd, and this is my analysis for gold, and we're on the daily time frame. So on gold, definitely a very sharp move to the downside. I personally think it's a wave four of the trend that started right here. So one, two, big giant wave three, and now we're in a wave four. Wave four should potentially only go to maybe the 38 or the 50% pullback. Most likely it is going to turn into a very overlapping, corrective, overlapping pattern. Look at something like this, or maybe something like this, before it makes another leg to the upside for a wave five. This wave four should potentially last about 10 trading days from the high too, so that should give us a pretty good target of when the wave four potentially could end. So anyways, going down to the 1 hour time frame, I think the wave A of four is complete. I think the first push down was the A. I think now we're going to make some sort of a, overlapping corrective pattern to the upside for like a wave B, maybe go all the way up to like the 61% or maybe even the 78%. It could really go to any one of these three levels. So I would expect to see something like this, some sort of a, ABC or a WXY or some kind of a flat pattern for a wave B over the next day or so, and then probably another push down eventually for another wave C to complete this wave 4 pattern that I was explaining on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.